Welcome to Astro Services Kannan YouTube channel. I thank all subscribers for supporting me. In this video, we are going to see the Prasannam chart of match number 53, the game that will be played in Abu Dhabi between CSK, Chennai Super Kings and Kings 11 Punjab teams. So, as we all know, CSK is now 8th in the table with 5 wins and 8 losses. So, they are not going to make it to the playoff. But this game really matters for KXIP. They must win this game to earn a place in the playoff. At least they get a chance to get into the playoff because the other teams how they perform, and then the net run rate comes as a crucial factor to decide which teams will be going into it. But then KXIP has got a better run rate. Like they have negative 0.133. So if they win this game, most likely they are assured of a place in the playoff. As we all know, 6 teams as of now are competing for the 3 spaces to be taken for the playoff. Only Mumbai Indians has been confirmed of a place in playoff. So they are number 1 in the table, and then we are not yet sure which other teams will make it to the playoff. So from the team's perspective, if we look at it as for CSK, they are playing very casual because they have got nothing much to lose. So they are trying out various options, and the previous 2 wins suggest that their new combinations have been bringing success to them. Like their and opener Gaikwad is playing well, then Jadeja has been very consistent. In fact, CSK has become a party spoiler. They spoiled the chances of KKR and somehow dented the hopes of RCB as well. And now they are going to spoil the chance of KXIP if they win this game. So somehow it has been very negative for CSK. And then Santner has been bowling well. Karan Sharma also bowled well. Lungi Nigidi also bowled well. So for this game, maybe Dhoni has to perform. Dhoni has already played 13 games, and as a captain, we are not seeing any spark from him. And so this is maybe one of his games where we expect him to perform well in this particular game. So let him finish in style for this tournament, and Watson or Duplessis may play this game. So CSK is looking now a dangerous side. So when the start of the tournament, first 2 games they did well, and then after that it was a big failure, losing nearly 7-8 games in a row, and then now again they have started performing. So for KXIP, the biggest problem is both their opening batsmen, regular openers Agarwal and Mandeep are out. Rahul has been scoring consistently, but then too much of balls has been utilized by him to get to that score. So he has to be careful with that. And then Gail and Puran are hitting well. Maxwell has been good with the ball, but not at good with the bat. So Shami is bowling well. Even Murugan Ashwin is bowling well. So if you look at cricket point of view, I would say CSK is holding a upper hand. The pressure is more on KXIP. So I hope they will do well. And then from the astrology point of view, if you look at it, when this chart is prepared on 1st October at 10:06:59 a.m., moon is transiting in the star of Bharani, which is Venus star, and then we can see the ruling planet Sun and Jupiter have become important planets. So from the Rasi chart we can see moon is the Lagna lot. So moon represents the CSK team, and it is very comfortably placed in 10th house. So this is considered a very favorable and auspicious position for the home team CSK. And then for the away team, which is represented by Capricorn Rasi, which is Saturn's Rasi, and the away team is represented by Saturn, and it is in its own house. This is also considered as good placement, and Saturn aspecting the home team is not good. So from the Rasi point of view, I would say both are equally well placed. Both are considered as very well placed, and maybe we have to give an advantage to the home team. So CSK has a slighter advantage in terms of winning this game. So from the advanced KP Stellar method of looking at it, the Lagna is connected to the 11th house. So it is a win for CSK. That's what this is suggesting. But for the foreign players and for the local players, both will be performing equally, giving their performance. But this game maybe is Mr. Dhoni's game. Tala will be playing better in this particular game, we can say. So this particular game is in favor of CSK to win compared to KXIP. So it is like 60% chance of CSK winning and only 40% chance of KXIP. I would have preferred the other way around. I would have even preferred KXIP to win this particular game, because they have not won any IPL before. Since CSK, they don't have a chance to go, and then spoiling KXIP's chance is something not good, already done for KKR and RCB, and then now KXIP, like okay. So in this case, this particular game is favoring CSK to win this game. So this is what I see, and I have already said, like I would have preferred KXIP to win, but we must look from the Prasannam point of view. It is suggesting CSK to win. Thank you.